Ooh, it's time to teach class.
Louis Grasso is the program director of radio and TV production at Mercy College in Dobbs Ferry. A Bronxite himself, this professor's positive attitude and love for the media shine through in the ways he teaches both inside and outside of the studio.
I try to be positive and uplifting and try to be just generally optimistic because I know how that makes students feel.
Grasso has demonstrated his dedication to working with students at their pace by keeping each class exciting and engaging.
What the challenges will be when you're trying to do it. And the projects I arrange for them, I hope they present some of those same challenges.
Grasso shares his main influence with Dr. Michael Banks, a former professor who Grasso credits with helping him become the person he is today and continues to work on projects together.
We still work together on projects, and his enthusiasm and optimism is just, I believe, unmatched by anyone I've ever worked with. It was a whole series of media management interviews. And before that, in the 1980s, we did another series called Spectrum, it was called. And it was a whole, again, series of media management interviews with various people in the business.
As an educator focused on preparing for the future, without forgetting the past, Grasso keeps himself and his pupils up to date with media changes in order to prepare students for what's to come.
It keeps me up to date on how things are changing in the field because that helps me in the classroom explain things to students.
Far beyond graduation, many students have stayed in touch with Grasso. As a great influence in this field, Grasso has devised a means for the media family to stay linked to one another, no matter how far they've progressed in life.
I'll put you on a separate alumni page, which is only media studies alums, and you could now network that way.
Reporting for Bronx Net, Jokathy, Tapia.